So right now, like, where would you enter NAS since it's kind of retesting or consolidating? What do you think you'll enter?
Like if I wanted to try to sell right now?
Yes.
So right now we've got a bullish candle. This is a 1 minute granted. So let's go to the 2 minute. Let's just clean this up a little bit. So we're all the way on the 2 minute now. We got another bullish candle forming. If we're getting below the body of this previous candle, it's kind of an aggressive entry. Okay, but we've got a little bit of a retest. I would be looking to potentially enter. If I go down to the 1 minute, let's come over here. We've got a beautiful kind of JGS setup. The slow MACD is still in a bullish territory though, so we need to kind of account for that. So really what we'd want to see is a close below, but we're already, what, 20 to 50% of the way into this move, so we'd want to be really careful. We've got 2 wicks to the downside already. I don't personally think this is a turnaround point. I think bare minimum we have a breaker block, we have a fair value gap in here. So I think we're easy target into down here. But right now, you just really want to get below this little retest formation. The smaller time frame moving averages are closing now as we speak. They're kind of crossing, if you will. So we've got that close. That's a 1 minute close. It's a late entry, but you'd be targeting into here. So your risk to reward would barely be a 1-to-1, mostly because your entry is kind of late, but kind of sometimes part of the territory. Target would be the mid range of that is 104s all the way down to 91. To 91. Hey, I was really close. Pretty close, even if I do say so myself. Now you're moving. We're coming into this opening range, but remember, we've got 6 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. There's a 15-minute imbalance as well, okay? That we'd really want to see. I just hope that the next 15 minutes don't have to push up to go see what that looks like. So I've got a couple of screens up, so I'm looking at the 15-minute off screen. But what I don't want to see is this next 15-minute candle. Let's zoom in. So I'm hoping we tap into it in this candle, okay? Doesn't look like it because we're already forming a wick, which means the next candle would pull up a little bit before it drops and or drop, and then it kind of stays on this upward trend for the day. Because we've hit 50% of the 15-minute range already. That's on the 15. And we're still trying. 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We're pulling back up, retesting that. Because if we have to pull all the way back up, the potential target to pull back up is all the way into here. And just let it play out. Scalping wise, easy. Because you scalp, you get 20 points, you get 40 points, you get whatever, 40 points, and you just keep doing it over and over again. But you have to be willing to close, though. You have to be willing to close just as quick. That's something I'm still working on. Still desperately working on, mostly because of where I come from. I come from an area where I could effectively trade, and it was just a different kind of trading where I trust my trade.